Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has been accused of citing illegally leaked children's medical records as part of a vendetta against trans kids and their families. Paxton announced an investigation Friday of trans care by Texas Children's Hospital in Houston, according to the Houston Chronicle. But Harris County Attorney Christian Menefee is firing back that Paxton's move was predicated by conservative media reports based on illegal leaks from his office, the report said. Menefee called for swift and appropriate action in response to the apparent records leak and described Paxton's investigation as legally baseless, the Chronicle reported. This illicit release of medical records puts children and their families at risk, and swift action must be taken to ensure that this does not happen again, he said in a statement. I have spoken with representatives at Texas Children's Hospital and understand that the hospital will fully investigate how this happened and notify all impacted families if their information was released. I expect they will fully disclose what they find to the United States Department of Health and Human Services. If a hospital employee leaked these medical records, they must be fired. If it was a hospital vendor, their contract must be terminated. The Chronicle said the AG's investigation followed a series of tweets from an activist that shared what he called evidence that the hospital, secretly, provided gender-affirming care. The tweets included details from medical records, with the patients' names redacted. Menefee, the first black person to serve as the top lawyer in Texas' largest county, which is home to Houston, noted that unauthorized disclosures of medical records may violate the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, commonly known as HIPAA, the newspaper reported. Hospital officials fired back at Paxton as well. At Texas Children's Hospital, our mission is to provide high-quality care for all patients. Throughout the policy debate surrounding gender medicine, our healthcare professionals have always and will continue to prioritize the care of our patients within the bounds of the law. Paxton stuck to MAGA talking points in his statement announcing the latest attack on trans care. I've been clear that any gender transitioning procedures that hurt our children constitutes child abuse under Texas law, he said. Recent reports indicate that Texas Children's Hospital may be unlawfully performing such procedures, and my office is working to uncover the truth. I am committed to investigating any entity in our state to ensure that our children are protected. Though many unhinged activists compromising the healthcare field think otherwise, children are not to be treated as science experiments. Doctors and hospitals should not be pushing mutilative and irreversible, gender transitioning procedures that will negatively impact innocent children for the rest of their lives. As the Texas Tribune reported Friday, Paxton's newest investigation is part of an ongoing effort aimed at trans care. The Texas legislature recently passed a bill that would bar minors from receiving that medical care, including puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and related surgery, though such surgery is rare for minors, the Texas Tribune reported. Governor Greg Abbott has said he will sign the bill, and it is expected to go into effect in September. Paxton's targeting of Texas Children's Hospital was only the latest salvo in an ongoing campaign, according to the Tribune. 2 weeks ago, Paxton announced a similar investigation into Dell Children's Hospital in Austin, citing allegations from a hidden camera video investigation from the conservative activist group Project Veritas, it reported. The same day Paxton announced the investigation, parents began receiving calls from Dell Children's, telling them their appointments were canceled and their doctors had parted ways with the adolescent health clinic.